This is number 87 in our Chapter 5 review, where we are asked to perform the indicated operation and express the answer in simplest radical form. Once again, we're dealing with radicals that have different roots. So like in number 85, we need to convert them to rational exponents first. In the numerator, we have 5 to the 1 over 3 power. And then in the denominator, we have 5 to the 1 over 4 power. Now that we have bases that are alike that are being divided, we know that we can subtract their exponents. So we'll have 5 to the 1/3 minus 1/4 power. But you cannot subtract fractions unless they have the same denominator. So our least common denominator would be 12, so we need to multiply top and bottom of the first fraction by 4 and top and bottom of the second fraction by 3. We'll end up with 5 to the 4/12 minus 3/12, which is 5 to the 1/12 power. But now we want to take it back to radical form. So obviously it's 5 to the 1 under the radical, but because the denominator is a 12, then it is the 12th root of 5.